When it comes to home upgrades that truly pay off, energy-efficient windows in Frisco stand out as one of the smartest investments a homeowner can make. With North Texas summers bringing intense heat and rising energy costs, buyers are paying closer attention to features that improve comfort and lower monthly expenses. Installing energy-efficient windows doesn't just enhance your daily living experience, it can also significantly impact your home's resale value. Why energy efficiency matters to today's buyers. Modern homebuyers are more informed than ever. They're not just looking at square footage and countertops, they're considering long-term operating costs. High utility bills can be a deal breaker. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on HVAC systems and lowering energy consumption year-round. In Frisco, where air conditioning runs for much of the year, this matters. Homes with upgraded, insulated windows are more attractive because they promise consistent indoor comfort and measurable savings. Buyers see these windows as a valuable upgrade rather than an expense they'll have to tackle themselves. Lower energy bills create strong selling points. One of the most compelling resale advantages of energy-efficient windows is the potential for lower monthly utility bills. Double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames help block heat transfer. That means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer during the occasional winter chill. When it comes time to sell, being able to show prospective buyers a history of manageable energy bills adds credibility and appeal. It gives your listing a competitive edge in a crowded Frisco real estate market. Buyers are often willing to pay more upfront for a home that will cost them less over time. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows don't just help with energy savings, they improve overall comfort. These windows reduce drafts, eliminate hot spots near window areas, and maintain a more stable indoor temperature throughout the home. In neighborhoods near busy roads, schools, or growing commercial areas in Frisco, they also offer noticeable noise reduction. When buyers walk through a quiet, consistently comfortable home, they feel the difference immediately. Comfort is emotional, and emotional impressions often drive purchasing decisions. A home that feels right can sell faster and for a higher price. Improved curb appeal and modern aesthetics. New windows can dramatically upgrade your home's appearance. Energy-efficient models come in a variety of styles and finishes that complement both traditional and modern architecture. Clean lines, updated frames, and crystal-clear glass give your property a well-maintained, move-in ready look. Curb appeal plays a major role in resale value. First impressions start from the street, and updated windows signal to buyers that the home has been cared for. This can increase perceived value and reduce negotiation pressure during the sales process. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Many energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, peeling, and fading. Advanced glass technology also minimizes condensation and UV damage, protecting interior furnishings from sun-related fading. For potential buyers, low maintenance is a huge advantage. They don't want to inherit costly repairs or replacements shortly after purchase. Showing that your windows are modern, durable, and built to last provides peace of mind and strengthens your asking price. Strong return on investment in Frisco's market. Frisco's real estate market remains competitive and desirable, with families and professionals drawn to its schools, amenities, and growing economy. In this environment, upgrades that combine practicality and efficiency can yield strong returns. While resale value depends on many factors, location, market timing, and overall home condition, energy-efficient windows consistently rank among improvements that recoup a meaningful portion of their cost. Even more importantly, they can help your home sell faster by appealing to buyers who prioritize sustainability and cost savings. A smart upgrade for today and tomorrow. Investing in energy-efficient windows in Frisco is about more than resale value. It's about improving how you live in your home right now. You'll enjoy greater comfort, lower energy bills, and enhanced aesthetics while positioning your property as a high-value option when it's time to sell. For homeowners considering strategic upgrades, energy-efficient windows offer a rare combination of immediate benefits and long-term financial impact. In a market where buyers are looking for efficiency, quality, and move-in-ready convenience, this improvement can make all the difference.